How am I supposed to win? Like, hey guys. Yep. I know what you guys are thinking. Cambit, it's been a week since you've uploaded. I know, guys, I know. It's been a week. My bad. But I'm back. For today. And we'll see what Photopea's all about as of today, which is October 10th. Or no, sorry. October. You know what? Time doesn't even matter at this point in my life, okay? Time doesn't matter. Now, I noticed one thing. P Games. Alright, guys. There's a lot to do. What is P's maker? I gotta check this out. Okay. Is this a clicker? Guys, it's a clicker. Clicker games are brain rot, but man, they're addicting. So I'm probably gonna play this for a few hours. Oh my gosh, look at these tools. I know all of these tools, guys. Crop tool, eraser tool, pencil tool, brush tool, clone tool, gradient tool, pen tool, type tool. Oh, I got so much work to do. What else? Goals? Oh, they're called P's. I'd recommend you all just stop designing. It's not worth the time. Get on P Games and go to P's Maker. That's actually pretty fun. Let's check out Moonsters now. I bet you guys expected me to, like, you know, design, but I'm here playing Moonsters. Log in. Let's just start this thing. Is it a clicker? Oh. This is a mom game. This is like Candy Crush. So I'm gonna get hooked. Yeah, no, these are very addicting games. I'm not gonna lie, I could sit here and play these forever. But we don't have forever. Dino Hunt? Alright. Is this gonna be like Ark Survival Evolved? Okay. This is crazy. Whoa, I have a gun? A dinosaur with a gun is crazy. Oh my gosh. Done. It's too easy. Level 2, let's get it. Oh. They don't even know where I'm at, and they're done. I can't hit. Dead. Wait, I died? But I made $10. So I broke even. Okay, I'm done with that game. That one is messing with my head because I don't understand how a Velociraptor could actually get access to a handgun. Now maybe he forged it, but I don't know with what tools. Let's try this one. Connection. Speaking of connection, what happened to it? You know what? I didn't even want to play that one. Tiny monsters. There we go. Level 1. Wait, what? What? What am I supposed to do? Oh. Oh. It's genius. No! You gotta be so quick. No. No! This might be his hardest game yet. Lock in. That's... Oh my... I got it, don't worry. How am I supposed to win? Like... I'm done. I'm done. It's not worth my time. Big fish, let's get it. Ow, my hand. Oh, that hurt. Eat fish that are smaller than you. Oh, this is fun. This is fun for sure. There's no music though, I really wanted that. Oh, okay. That guy is literally the same size. Oh man. I can't tell. There's too many fishies. I'm gonna freak out. Okay, I can't tell sometimes. I think that guy's smaller. I mean, that guy looks the same. Oh, okay, we're good. Okay, they're getting a little fast now. Is that guy the same size? Okay. Oh, we're upgrading here. Oh. Come on. All right, in the comments. Is that guy really bigger than me? No, he's not. You don't even need to type it in the comments. I already know. But just to make me feel better, please do. Let's play some crazy bugs. Honestly, I didn't expect to play games. I was going to look at PHOTOPEA, but I'm not complaining. That's what this video is about now. I don't need the rules. How do you play? The next game. Oh, now we're talking. Loud Rider. This has got to be insane. It's got to be his best game yet. I don't really need a tutorial, but I guess. Oh, we're moving. I think I just lost. Oh, no, I got it. Oh, leaning. Maybe I should read. I killed myself. Use left and right keys. Okay, I got it. It's too easy. How'd I get 1 star on that? That was perfect. Okay, whatever. Spacebar. Oh, crap. Yeah, whatever. Come on. There we go. I'm about to beat the game. Alright, next game. Cola Factory. This is the final game. I hope he makes more games, because these are pretty good. You know what? I guess that's the end of the video. So, I don't know if I'm back. I just wanted to make a video, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Check out these games on PHOTOPEA's website. They're pretty solid, except Connection and Cola Factory just didn't want to work. So, yeah, I guess see you guys in the next one. Peace.